So whenever you go ahead and complete out the upload process, what actually happens is that it gives you a notification that the upload is completed and so forth. And similarly, there are other notifications that you get as well. But let's say you want to go ahead and change those notification settings. In that case, you can right click over here onto the Terabox floating window and then go around over here onto settings. So here you can see that notification settings is an option. You get to choose different sort of notification sounds right here as you want right here, just like this. And apart from that, you also have notification settings for different things. Like let's say, for example, when you complete uploading and you want to get notification, you can go ahead and turn this on. So if you want to get notification after download is completed, you can go ahead and get this notification. And you can also go ahead and turn the sound prompt of the notification on or off as you wish right here. So this is how you can go ahead and change the notification settings. So let's say, for example, if I were to go ahead and download this out right here, then as it goes ahead and completes out downloading, you get the notification just like this, along with the sound that we chose. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the notification settings as needed inside of Terabox desktop application. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe